Earthquakes are one of the most unpredictable and devastating natural disasters, striking without warning and causing widespread destruction. A 7.0 and above magnitude earthquake can cause massive damage to the infrastructure, leaving buildings in ruins and claiming lives in a matter of seconds. To be prepared for such an event, it's essential to know what steps to take to increase your chances of survival. Educate yourself on earthquake safety, including emergency procedures and warning signs. Make a plan for you and your family, including a meeting place in case of separation. Secure loose objects in your home to prevent them from falling during an earthquake. Bolt large appliances to the floor to prevent tipping over. Invest in earthquake-resistant building materials for your home. Drop, cover, and hold on during an earthquake. Stay away from windows and glass. Evacuate immediately if inside a building. Avoid elevators and take the stairs instead. Pull over to a safe location if driving during an earthquake. Assess the damage and seek medical attention if necessary. Be cautious when entering damaged buildings. Turn off gas and electrical appliances to prevent fires. Check for gas leaks or other hazards. Stay prepared, stay calm, and take immediate action during an earthquake. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.